In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a chat in Claude AI. This is a quick but powerful way to keep your workspace tidy and make important conversations easier to find later. Renaming is especially helpful if you have multiple threads on similar topics, or if a chat starts with a generic title and evolves into something more specific. First, open the conversation you want to rename in Claude. You can find it in your chat history or sidebar. Click the conversation to bring it into focus so you're looking at the full thread. If you're switching from another tab or project, give the page a moment to load so everything is up to date. Next, look to the very top of the window for the chat's name or title. It usually appears in the header area above your messages. Click directly on that title. On mobile or a smaller window, you may need to tap the header bar to reveal the title if it's truncated. If the title doesn't seem clickable, make sure you're at the top of the conversation and not in a minimized or compact view. When you click the title, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose Rename. This option opens a simple field where you can edit the chat's name. If you don't see Rename, double-check that you clicked the conversation title itself and not an adjacent button. In shared workspaces, you may need permission to change titles. If that's the case, ask a workspace admin. Now, type in your new chat name and confirm. Aim for a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the conversation, like Product Roadmap Q2 Planning or Draft Responses for Support FAQ. Including a date or version can make it even easier to track progress over time. Avoid putting any sensitive information in the title. When you're satisfied, confirm the change by pressing Enter or selecting the Confirm option on screen. You'll see the new title update at the top of the conversation, and it will also refresh in your chat history list. That way, the next time you scan your sidebar or search for this topic, the updated title will stand out immediately. If you have Claude open in multiple tabs or on another device, the change should sync shortly. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation, click the title, select Rename, then enter your new name and confirm. A clear title can save time and reduce confusion, especially when you're juggling many threads. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Claude AI.